Want to turn your inbox into a CRM? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that in under 3 minutes, using just a few simple tricks and the right tool. I've tested all the most popular CRM software, and I've found a solution that you can use to effortlessly manage contacts, track emails, and even automate follow-ups, all from your inbox. Stick around to the end, where I'll share an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about the problem we're solving. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple software platforms to keep track of leads, customer info, and emails, you know how quickly things can slip through the cracks. A full-blown CRM can be expensive, complicated, or just not what you need. But what if you could turn your inbox into a CRM? Well, you can, and I'm going to show you how to do it without getting overwhelmed by tech. The secret is using software that seamlessly integrates with your email and organizes everything automatically. This means no more copying and pasting contact details or trying to remember who you emailed last. With the right software, you can turn every email conversation into a relationship you can track and nurture. Step 1. Organize your contacts. Start by creating tags or labels in your inbox. This is a quick way to separate different contacts based on their importance or status. For example, you could have labels for potential leads, clients, or partners. The software we'll be using allows you to sync these labels and add more custom ones if needed. This way, every contact is grouped, and you won't have to dig through your inbox to find someone. Step 2. Automate follow-ups. One of the most powerful features of this software is the ability to set reminders or automate follow-ups based on when you last contacted someone. Imagine you emailed a client but didn't get a response. Instead of manually following up, you can let the software set a reminder or even trigger a follow-up email at a specific time. This is how you turn your inbox into a CRM that works for you without extra effort. Step 3. Track your interactions. The software will also allow you to track your email conversations. You'll get a log of all emails exchanged with a specific contact and even see when they opened your email. This is crucial for knowing when to follow up or pivot your approach. Tracking is one of the biggest advantages of turning your inbox into a CRM. It gives you visibility into every step of the process. Step 4. Consolidate all communication. With a CRM built into your inbox, all your communication with a contact, whether it's email, notes, or attachments, are all stored together in one place. No more sifting through emails to find that important file you sent last month. This organized setup lets you track the entire history of your relationship with each client or lead, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to close a deal. Before we move on, let me remind you that the software we're using in this tutorial is available with an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so if you want to follow along, make sure to grab that offer while it's available. Now, here's the key takeaway. By turning your inbox into a CRM, you're transforming your email platform into a powerful business tool. This allows you to stay on top of communications, automate follow-ups, and keep your contacts organized, all without needing to switch between multiple platforms. Whether you're managing a small business or just want better control over your emails, this simple setup can save you tons of time and effort. To recap, here's what we covered today. 1. Organizing contacts with labels or tags. 2. Automating follow-ups based on email activity. 3. Tracking all interactions to stay informed. 4. Consolidating communication in one place for easy reference. And don't forget, if you want to start using this software and turn your inbox into a CRM, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to try out all the features we've discussed today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.